Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Welcome back to today's online platform. I hope you are fine. Today's course outline here, class 4, unit 28, lesson 4 and 6, and your course title, Letter to a Friend. At first, you have to learn some greetings, that how you can exchange greetings between teachers and students. Here is a dialogue for you. Teacher says, "Good morning, students." Then students in reply say, "Good morning, teacher." Teacher, then teacher says, "How are you?" Students, "Fine, thank you." So this is the etiquette, how you can exchange greeting. After ending this session, you will able to learn how to write a letter, and you will able to learn different parts of a letter and format of a letter, how to write letter. So you can see here, at first you can see date. This is called heading. This is called heading. In the heading, date, you have to write date. Then second part, you have this is called salutation. You have to write dear, and it's followed by any name. That means your friend name. Okay. Then in the third part, it's a body, letters body, and last your friend, it's called closing, and last you have to give signature. Okay, so you can see here 6 parts. There are 6 parts in a letter. Here is a question for you. Make answer for this. What date is today? What month is now? What time is now? Make this question. Match your answer and try to answer these questions. What date is today? What month is now? What time is now? Match your answer with this answer, but your time will not maybe match. Okay, next today's lessons. Let's get started with our new lessons. At first you have to write this answer in the B part. What's your friend's name? Where's your friends from? That means where your friend has come. What do you do with your friend? What's one thing your friend can do well? That means what is the best thing, in the best way how your friend can do well? What is the process that he can do well? What are the names of your friends, brothers and sisters? You can apply this answer in your letter, that is contained in C. Write a letter to a friend about another friend. Okay, use your answer to the question from activity B to write your letter. Yes, that I have already said. You can in your letter, when you write your letter, you can use this information, that what here are the question, and you can you can add this answer in your letter, in your writing. So our main topic here, look at the letter, and here you can see date. Your date 24th April 2016, but you should not write 24th April 2016. You have to write present date. Okay, you will write 10th October 2020. This is called date. In here there is a name, that's heading. This is called heading. We have learned in our earlier slide at first, heading. In heading you have to write it, in the heading there is a date. You have to write date. And in the second part, letter second part, greeting, that's salutation. Dear, smile. Dear is followed by any names, and then this is called body, and you have to write the main part. You can share your great news, or you can share your joys or any experience in the main part. Then closing, your friend, you have to write in the closing your friend, then your signature. So at first you have to, in the heading you have to write date. Okay, and the greeting part you have to address your friend as dear, then your friend's name. Okay, dear is followed by any name, your friend's name, it can be another name. Dear Smile, Shumon is my new friend at school. This is the body. He is from Bogra. Every day after school we play in the park. We play cricket together on the weekends. On the weekends means on Friday. That's not weekdays. It is not weekdays. On the weekends, that means only Friday. He can run very fast. He can run very fast. Shuman has one sister. Her name is Mira. How are you? Write soon. Write me soon. So you can see I have already said in our earlier slide in the part B there are some questions, and you can this answer is related with questions, and you can also use there. You can also use here in your writing. And closing part, your friend, you have to write your friend, or you can write sincerely yours in case of your application. But here you can write your friend in the closing part, and then signature name. Okay, your name. So you have written this letter, you have to signature here. Okay, your name will be, you should put your name here, that's called signature. So there are 6 parts in the letter. First, heading. Second, greeting. Third, body. Fourth, closing. Then signature. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now you have to think about for a moment how to write letter. What are the parts of a letter? At first, appropriate. At first, you have to think about heading, then appropriate greeting, then appropriate closing. Now you have to work in group wise. What's your friend's name? That is already content B. Where's your friend from? What do you do with your friend? What's one thing your friend can do well? What are the names of your friends, brothers and sisters? All the questions answered is remained in our letter. You have already noticed. So you have to again read this letter. Okay, and write the answer on your copy. What's your friend's name? You have to write in this way. My friend's name is dash. My friend's name is Mira. What's your friend's name? My friend's name is Mira. Where's your friend from? My friend is from Dhaka. What do you do with your friend? I play with my friend on the weekend in the afternoon. Okay. What is one thing your friend can do well? You can write, my friend can play cricket well, or my friend play racket well. What are the names of your friends, brothers and sisters? You will write the names of my friends, brothers and sisters. You can write any name. Okay. So this is about this. Match your answers of the question. What's your friend's name? My friend's name is Imon. Here is the answer for you. Where's your friend from? What do you do with your friend? What's one thing your friend can do well? Yes, here he can play football very well, but I have said you can write anything. Now, what are the names of your friends, brothers and sisters? Here, his brother's name is Arif and sister name is Nuri. You can exchange, instead of this name, you can write your friends, brothers and sisters name. So today we have learned what we have learned today. We have learned how to write a letter, how many parts are there in a letter, how to write and how to maintain the format of a letter. What will be the format of a letter? So here, write a letter to a friend about another friend. Use your answer to the question from activity B to write your letter. It's the same question I have already said. Now your home task. That's write the letter to your friend about your friend. Okay, write the letter to your friend. You have to write a letter to your friend about another friend. Okay. So I have to finish here. That's all about today. See you in our next class. Till then, stay happy, stay tuned, and obviously stay connected with your online lessons. Thank you.